So here we are, we're up on between the second floor and third floor. There's the third floor. You can see we're above the porch roof and we're up in the lift quite a ways. And there's this piece here. You can see this nice piece here. Well, right here it's missing. And it was painted before, so it's been missing at least since last time. We have no idea where it might be, of course, so we found pieces, but I don't remember finding that piece. So what I did was I have some basswood. I cut off a block. It's kind of a 2x4. It looks like if I was to carve it, we'd have enough distance this way, and we'd also have enough distance this way to carve this out. So I'm not sure how this is going to go. This is the first big piece, or pretty intricate piece. But I have my carving tools here, and I got some gloves. So we're going to give it a shot. Here's some gloves that'll help. I mean, still got to be very careful. And hopefully we have a carving set. I have another carving set too. I have never used this one before, so I kind of wanted to try it. And we're going to give it a shot. So let's see how it goes. That's what we're going for right there.